Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the can't be displayed issue in the Telegram application. So let us get started right away. Now guys, if you have been receiving the notification that certain files or content in the Telegram group or channel can't be displayed on your account, don't worry because there's a simple solution for that. What you want to do guys is close the Telegram application on your Android or iPhone and head over to your preferred web browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to access Google Chrome for that. So what you want to do guys, here in the search bar, type in web Telegram or Telegram app. That's totally up to you. And select the first search entry you see below. After that, you will be given the opportunity to log into your Telegram account through the web application. So what you want to do guys is enter your associated phone number here with the correct country code. After that, Telegram will send you a one-time verification code via their application. So make sure that you copy that code, head back here to the web application, paste that code here, wait for the login process to be finished, and after that you will be given access to your Telegram account through the web application. So what you want to do guys next is tap on these three lines here at the top left corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. In the following menu, select privacy and security, and here in the privacy and security section, scroll down till you get to this feature option here called sensitive content. Now, having content filtering enabled might be what has been causing the issue for you. So if you'd like to see or get displayed any content in your Telegram account, even sensitive content, make sure that you disable filtering. So make sure that you turn off that feature here, disable filtering, to gain access to that content. So guys, it's totally up to you. That's how you can fix the can't be displayed issue in the Telegram app. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.